Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is harmony, and this is something that's right up your alley. You're the balance, the gymnast, the perfect balance of zodiac and energy in the zodiac. You are the gymnast where you know how to balance mind, body, and spirit harmony. Make sure that you let go of the things that don't serve you, the negative things that are not going to actually match with the place that you're going in positivity. We need to open up as much space for gratitude, joy, love, positive energy, so we can continue to flourish in the place that we're going, because you come too far to stop now. Don't worry about the storms that are around you. You may be surrounded by darkness, but it's so many beams of light, so many things that are showing you that this is your way out. You're close to winning. So stay balanced. Make sure that you're not a rapid tornado. Go with the flow. I open myself to divine being within me, and I am the image of God. Thus, I have the power to bring light into my life. I turn darkness in me into something beautiful. In the absence of resentment, anger, and doubt, I find harmony, love, prosperity, and gratitude. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.